Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw the vision. So hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our vision, we're going to begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right in here and I'm going to make a little line that's just going to go down and then it's going to come over like this. I'm going to leave some space and I'll do the same thing. I'm just going to go down and I'm going to come over like this. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve up. Then I'll do the same thing here. We're just going to go down and then we're going to bring it up, kind of like a smiley face shape. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to go down and it's going to come over for his nose. And then right here, I'm just going to make a little line that's going to come across here for his mouth. And right in here, we're going to make a little line for his lip. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go out, and it's going to curve down and in. Same thing here, we're going to go down, we're going to go out, and we're just going to bring it in. I'm going to bring this back inside on each side. Then I'm just going to bring this line down here at a nice angle. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up, it's going to go over and then down, and we'll just curve it around the bottom for the part on his chin. Next, I'm going to bring this up a little bit higher on each side. I'm going to go out a little bit, and then I'm going to curve up. Next, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, it's going to go over, and then come back up. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go out. It's going to come up like this. Same thing here, I'm going to go out, and then I'm just going to bring it up here. Next, I just want to curve this right around and bring it down to here to finish off his face. Starting here, I'm going to make a nice little oval shape for one of the infinity stones in there. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes down, and then another one right here. Then right here, I'm going to make a little line that goes up and over, and then same thing on this side. Now we want to work on the body. So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. It's going to go up like this. I'm going to draw a little line that comes down here, and then a little line that comes down here. Then I'm going to draw a line down, and then another line down here. Then I'm just going to bring it right across here. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down and then it's going to come in. And then another one that's just going to go down and then it's going to curve in. Make a little line that's going to go down, it's going to curve up. Same thing here, we're going to go down and then it's just going to curve up. Next, I'm going to bring this in and then I'm going to come up to here. Do the same thing here, we're going to go in and then bring it up. And then let's draw a little line right across to connect it. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that just goes down on each side. We're going to make a little line that goes over, and then it's going to come up. Do the same thing here. We're going to go over, and then we're just going to come up. I'm going to start here. I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve down, and that's going to go over, and then back up. Do the same thing here. We're going to go out and down. We're going to curve up, we're going to go over, and then back up. Make a line that's going to curve out here. Do the same thing here. I'm going to make another one that's going to go down and up to here. We're going to go down and then bring it right up to here. So it looks like he's kind of floating. I'm going to add another little curved line here and then one right here. Now starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come up to here and another one over here. I'm going to make a little line that goes down. It's going to go at an angle, then it's going to come back up like this. Then I'm going to add a little diamond shape right in here. On the sides here, we're going to make a line that goes down, and it's going to come straight down like this. So we're going to go down at an angle and then straight down. Now I'm going to just bring it right over to the side here. Starting here, I'm just going to make a line that's going to curve down and over. Another one's going to curve down and over. I'm going to make a little curved line on here, just for the bottom of the feet. Little line that goes down and over here. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that goes over. It's going to come up, over, down, and then back over. I'm going to add a little line right inside of here. And then I want to make his cape. To draw the cape, I'm just going to start down here by his hands. I'm going to make a line that's going to go out, and then it's going to curve up to here. Same thing, we'll just go down. And I'm just going to curve it up to here and make sure it connects right in there. And then last thing, I forgot to add his ear. So I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve out and it's going to come back in on each side. I'm going to give him two little lines for his eyebrows. And then I just want to make a couple little lines on his face. So I'm just going to make a little line that's going to go down and then over. Another one that's going to go down and then over here. I'll make one that's going to come up and it's going to go over here. It's going to go up and then over. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little cartoon version of the Vision. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.